finally found something to keep her very occupied. This is one of those bully sticks that she has been focused on this for about the last 45 minutes, close to an hour. Sorry, he didn't mean to do that. But he is gonna throw a ball at you soon. Are you trying to trick her to give up that so you can have it? You like that? Can I see it? There you go. Joy. Joy. That is a very content puppy, like I have not seen yet. Also, thank you, Angela, for suggesting these. Jethro never really cared too much about those. I got him some the other day, and he was completely uninterested in them. Oh, direct hit. Another one. She's not budging, Jethro. I think she's taking her stick and retreating. I think you won, Jethro. That's the difference. Is Jethro is all about persistence, and this one is all about randomness, usually. One more?